Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make magic custard cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. In a large bowl, combine 4 large egg yolks and 3/4 cup sugar. Beat until light and frothy. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/2 cup melted butter, and lemon zest from 1 lemon. Beat until well combined. Now, add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour and beat again until just combined. Then gradually add 2 cups lukewarm milk. After adding the milk, set aside the mixture. In a separate bowl, add 4 large egg whites and beat until stiff. Then gradually add the meringue to the cake mixture. Fold using a whisk or spatula. Do not overmix. I have more baking tips at the end of the video, so continue watching. Line an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. Transfer the mixture into the prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven 325F 160C on a middle rack 40 to 45 minutes or until the cake is golden. Let cool in pan for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Now it's ready! This lemony cake magically separates into layers when baked. Delicious custard at the bottom and cake on top. Let me give you some tips. When making lemon zest, make sure to grate the outermost part of the lemon rind. If there's no lemon, you can use calamansi and omit the lemon zest. Beat the egg whites until stiff, or when you have glossy peaks that stands straight. Mixture won't move if you tilt the bowl. You can easily line your baking pan with baking paper. Just cut about 11 to 12 inches baking paper, then make 4 cuts on the paper's edge, right up to the corners of the pan. Now you can easily slip it into the pan. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.